Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the Rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick video, I'm just going to show you what's included in our TRW Diamond Cut Flatback Rhinestone Shoe Kit. So this is a small little shoe kit for you to be able to bling your own shoes like this Adidas Ultra Boost right here. Okay, so what you're going to get in this small shoe kit that isn't plenty enough to do a single pair of shoes like we did with these Ultra Boosts right here. So the 3 Adidas stripes on this one was about 820 stones, a 10 gross of the flatback crystal TRW Diamond Cut SS10 rhinestones. You're going to get about 1,440 stones with this. So plenty to do the Adidas or Nike or any type of shoe of a basic logo that you have. You're going to get one of our mini pickup tools right here. You're going to get your syringe applicator, 2 different tips of the 18 gauge tips, and then our TRW Fabric Tack adhesive, which will apply the stones to the shoes like this right here. So to get your TRW shoe starter kit to be able to bling out your own shoes right now, just click on the link below this video. It'll bring you right to this kit on our website. We also have much larger kits for you to be able to start your own rhinestone business without a heat press or a vinyl cutter. Pretty awesome, but check out the tutorial video right at the end of this video, and it is going to show you how to actually use this glue and the applicators to be able to make those awesome shoes right there. Thanks for watching. Any questions, give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the Rhinestoneworld.com. Later. Now this kit is our basic kit to be able to do the simple logo like this right here, or a swoosh, or any of the basic logos on the shoes. However, you can get additional rhinestones on the website to be able to do something like this one here. So as you can see with this shoe here, we actually did all of the stones around the side there. We did a mixture of some of our SS16, SS10s, and SS6 crystal TRW diamond cut rhinestones. Now with this pair of shoes right here, we used the SS20s on the Adidas stripes right here. So we used a total of 240 SS20 stones for both sides and the pair of shoes. And then for all of the back here, we actually used 150 of the SS10 stones, 258 of the SS16, and then we used 16 of the SS6 stones. And then a little area at the bottom there, we used some of our jet hematite stones. We used 50 SS10 and we used 11 SS6. So this is a pair of shoes that you don't see too many places, right? But now you have the ability to make these shoes yourself and start a business with it.